Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of my bucket list day. So, today is detail day. What does that mean? Well, it's time to clean the rig and my truck. It's been disgusting. I've been traveling the west, as most of you know, and through the mountains, and they've had a big drought. And because of this drought, they are basically putting rules up that at least the campgrounds I've been, they don't want you washing your rig or washing your truck or things like that. So it's been filthy. So in this episode, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks to get your rig looking brand new again. But we'll get right into that right after we watch this intro. Alright everyone, welcome back. So as I mentioned, today is kind of detail day. Now you're probably thinking, do we need a whole episode on how we wash and clean a rig? Yeah, probably not. This will probably go pretty quick, but I'm going to give you a few high-level tips and tricks to keep your rig looking new and some products that I use. I will say that washing your rig, it's a full day job. Sometimes runs into 2 days, at least in my case, because I like everything just so. Some call it anal retentive, some call it a neat freak, whatever. It's just who I am, so I'm just going to be me and keep doing things the way I do and be particular and make sure it looks perfect. So first off, you want to make sure you get all the bugs off the rig and your truck. I mean, the bugs, as you all know, will start eating through the paint, so you want to get those off as quickly as possible. So I will say that even though I was prohibited from washing my truck or washing my rig, I did from time to time sneak a little, when nobody was looking, a little brush and a little water and try to keep the bugs off the front of my rig, just so it wouldn't eat through the paint. But that's the first thing you should do. So let's take a look at a couple things here. So all of you know Mojo here. She's kind of clean now. I actually spent yesterday washing the entire rig. So she's looking all nice and pretty and clean, and you see the front cap, all the bugs are off. Now I will say, shame on Grand Design, because their little momentum sticker on there, up at the top, I don't know if you can tell with the glare, but the momentum sticker on top, the bugs are eating through that rapidly. So you're seeing little splatter marks everywhere. And I also got a few rock chips up on there. But you'll see she's all clean. And I will say she's spot free. I didn't dry it, but as you all know, I have a water softener on board. So instead of tapping into the RV park water, I tap into the water through my RV. So I simply pull the water right from here. So the water come here is through all the filters and through the water softener. So when I finished washing, it dries spot free. Now many have asked, how do you keep the skirt looking brand new? So you see the skirt, it's all nice and clean and shiny. Well, I've tried several products and none of them worked well, or they streaked, or there were some problems with that. So let me tell you a little secret that I used. It's called Pledge. Yes, the same thing you use to dust your furniture in your house does a great job on this skirting here. Armor All, streaks, bad stuff. Wax, you don't want to put wax on there. It fades, it turns it salt or chalky color. You don't want that either. So I found Pledge to work very well. Now, admittedly, it only lasts a few weeks, but every couple weeks it only takes me maybe 10-15 minutes to go over the whole coach to do just the skirting with the Pledge, and it looks brand new. So as you see, as I walk around the rig, I've got my garage open. Pulling things out in the ladder. I just put it all back, so now I got to close it up. But you can see the skirting looks brand new. And of course I polished the wheels and dressed up the tires, so they all look good here too. So that's the secret on that. And then on the side, I waxed about oh, 6 months ago, so it's due. They say this wax will last a year. It does look and feel pretty good still, but I think next month, just before the football season, I'm going to get her all waxed up again. That usually takes me 2 days to do it. I might hire somebody to do it this time. I don't know. It's just, when I'm all said and done, my shoulders are killing me. It's a big job to do a 43-foot long trailer. And then as you see the truck got the same treatment. Natasha's looking good. She's looking clean. Now I dress the tires, polish the wheels, same thing. I keep the bugs off the front. So she looks good there. But today, you're gonna laugh at this, we're gonna do the interior. So while the outside is all done, the inside is a disaster. It hasn't been cleaned for a few months. So she's gonna get the attention today. The back seat has been kind of a catch-all for everything. So yeah, she's gonna get a lot of treatment. So let's get started. The 3 things I'm gonna need is obviously a couple rags, some Armor All. Well, cleaner first, then Armor All. Then we're gonna clean up the leather, and then we're gonna put a leather conditioner on. Obviously the floor mats are all coming out, and then we're gonna vacuum the heck out of it. And she should look like new when we're all done. Now, I know you all know how to detail a car, so I'm not gonna bore you with you watching me do all this stuff. So here you see it before. Disaster before. And now you'll see the after. In 3, 2, 1. Boom, it's done. Looks like a new truck again. Back seat's all clean. Ready for more partying and ready for more adventures. Got a good coat of wax on her. Natasha's so pretty when she's all cleaned up. Rig's all cleaned and detailed too. So that's it. The truck and the rig are detailed both inside and out, and we're ready for more adventures. So for those of you that are new to the channel, I would really appreciate it if you hit that little like button, subscribe, and little bell icon informing you the next time I launch a video. It helps me out a lot, and please leave a comment below. Do you have any tips or tricks on detailing your rig or your tow vehicle? And love to hear it. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.